Hey guys, welcome to tutorial video. Today I'll be showing you how to log into your OnlyFans account online on your computer. And now let's dive right in. Now to log into your OnlyFans account online on your computer, first open up your preferred browser, as I have already opened the Google Chrome. And on the search bar, click over there and type in the address onlyfans.com like this, and hit on enter. And then you'll be redirected to the home page of OnlyFans like this. And you can see guys, the login page of the OnlyFans is the home page. Now in order to log into your account, you'll be required to enter your email address and your password over here, but you can always continue with your Twitter or your Google or your Windows sign in. If you click on these buttons like this, or just click on Windows Hello Login, you'll be able to sign into your OnlyFans account with your Windows or your Twitter or your Google accounts from over here, or your Google account from over here. But if you log into your Twitter or your Google account on these pages, which was opened from these buttons, you will be logged into your OnlyFans account as well with your Twitter or your Google or your Microsoft, whichever you choose to log in with. With that being said, guys, let's enter our email address like this, and then enter your password which you had registered on OnlyFans at the time of creating your account. But if you have forgotten your password, you can always retrieve it from the forgot password button available over here. If you click on this button, you'll be taken to a procedure where you'll be able to reset or retrieve your OnlyFans account password. And with that being said, if you have not yet signed up for an OnlyFans account, you can always create an account for OnlyFans from this button, which is the sign up for OnlyFans. If you click on that button, you'll be taken to a procedure where you'll be able to sign up for an OnlyFans account. With that being said, guys, after entering your email and your password, simply click on login, and then you'll be signed into your OnlyFans account from over here. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding your topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.